Well, the first Slovenian meal. So we got some of the work done out in Ljubljana, but I need to change the chain and sprockets, so we're going to have Tommy here actually do the work for me out in Nova Gorica. This is the wine region. Okay, so we found Tommy here in Nova Gorica, and thank God we found him, because he's doing this job with very little notice, and look at the project he's in the middle of here. So for him to drop his tools and help me, we really appreciate it, Tommy. So, new chain, new sprockets, and we'll be back on the road exploring the wonderful lands of Slovenia. The bearings are nothing really earth-shattering. I can ride 1,000, 2,000 kilometers maybe. Meanwhile, I'm hanging at Goriska Brda here in the Brda wine region north of Ljubljana by an hour. It's beautiful here, and it's harvest.